Now we wait.
So you're a professional pure fisherman, right?
I just got a bite, dude.
Did you?
Yeah, but it's a feather crab, so it's probably... There he is. It's small.
Hey.
It is a sheepy though. I mean, that's a keeper, but I'm not gonna keep him that small. Sheephead's best eating one there is, dude.
How do you just set the hook? You just jerk up on him?
Yeah, I set the hook. I mean, you see their mouth.
Yeah.
Like, he, honestly, Lou, he bit that better than a mud crab. He hit it and actually pulled it. Like, he ate it.
Hungry. First thing in the morning. It's fall, too.
I hooked him hard, dude.
Pretty good hook set.
That was a really good hook set. I don't want to get bit.
Does it hurt?
You see his teeth?
Yeah.
I won't want to get bit by that. Pretty fish, though.
I might try it, though.
Look at that. That's pretty with the sun shining through his gill.
$5, you let me bite him? Or if he lets...
Dang.
If I let him bite him, $5?
Sure. Next one I catch, I'll give you $5.
I had somebody that I want to get bit by a flounder. They stuck their finger down in the mouth. I couldn't believe he did it. You got bit.
I feel like a flounder wouldn't hurt as bad as a... I know they do, but...
Lit up. You think he'll bite me? I was like, yeah. I want to see. Bit the crap out of him. Couldn't get his finger out.
I want to get bit by a trout. That would hurt.
Yeah, trout, their teeth are
Their teeth are soft, though.
Really?
I feel like they are. Yeah, that was a throw right there, boy. Oh, this is a good one right here. They're fired up, Lou.
Dude, this is crazy.
I say it's a good one. He ain't much bigger than the last one. It's a black drum.
What's you going, dude? Is he a keeper or no?
He's a keeper. You want him?
Kinda. I don't feel like cleaning him though. I would.
You Is it 14 on blacks? He might not be a keeper then. Yeah, I think he is. I thought it was 12 on blacks.
I gotta build a cutting table at the house. That or sucker fishing.
No, it's the... Here you go, Lou.
Oh, look at that puffer. Here's our bird puffer. Bird puffer. All up for you, too. I think that other silver rod is
I'm getting the full charter experience today.
I can't grab him to get the dang hook out because he's so sharp. That one you were using earlier, that one, yeah.
Let me see him. Get that thing out.
No, I'm just gonna grab those pliers right there. There should be some blue pliers, yeah.
Yeah.
I got it now. I just couldn't get a hold of him because he's so sharp.
Will they poke you or no?
Yeah, he'll put the crap out of you.
They got poison or what?
No, he's just sharp.
Those ones are poisonous.
They are?
Make you blow up.
See how sharp he is?
Yeah.
Bird.
Boop.
I have one of those at Paige's Aquarium. It's a smaller one. Happy you started eating finally. He hadn't ate like for 2 weeks.
One of It's a sheepy though.
There we go. Good did it.
What are they doing? Right in the corner of the mouth. He's 10 inches. He's 10 inches, right? You got your tape? I mean, we got one other small one in there. To the tail, right? To the tip? 11, 12. We put them in there? I'll eat them. How does this retract? Never mind, I figured it out. All right, skunk's off. As we're down to our last couple crabs. Are you bleeding him? Say what? They're right here. I think I just got robbed. Maybe not. I think there's one fiddler in there. And then there was like a mushy one.